Hi, my name is Jordan Myers here at Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, Iowa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take the doors off of your Bronco and the hardtop. To take the doors off your Bronco, the first step is to go into your glove box here, get your tool bag, and take out your ratchet with your socket. The first step to taking the doors off, I always roll the window down first, and then you'll have two bolts, one that goes up, which is your top one, and your bottom bolt that goes down. Once you get those taken off, then you will disconnect the electronics from it. Once you have the electronics disconnected, you will use the grab handle down here. You'll lift up, you'll pull it off. When you're ready to put the door back on, you'll put the alignment pin in the bottom down there, and then you will match these up right here. To take off the front part of the Bronco hardtop, you'll have these up here that you will take down. First step is to lower your sun visor and unclap these. Unclamped everything in there. You always start on the driver's side, lift up. I always like to just set it right here for a second. Take this off. And if it does come with bags, you can store them in the back, or you can put them down in your garage. To take off the middle row section, you will have 5 brackets that you gotta undo. And then this is typically a lot easier with 2, so I'm gonna have Kale help me here. So the first person will lift up on the inside, hand it over to him, and that part is off. To take off the final part of your hardtop, you will have 2 screws on each side, and then in the back, I'll show you here in a minute, you'll have 4 you'll have to take off as well. In the back, you will have 4 bolts on each side. So you'll have this one, this one, and then the front one there. You have 2 screws on each side, one here and one here. Those are the alignment pins, so you do not take off the smaller ones. In the back, you will have to disconnect your windshield washer fluid and the power to the rear wiper. You have a push pin right here, then that will connect right over here for you. And then you also have another push pin there. You disconnect that. And then this will wrap over here and connect in right here for you. With one person on each side here, first thing you'll do is you'll lift it up. And then you can take it off, and then you're able to set it on the ground. And then when you're ready to put it back on, you'll just make sure you line the alignment pins up on both sides here. Like so, then you'll tighten all the bolts back down. There you go. There we go. That's how you take off the doors and the hardtop on your Bronco. Have any questions, feel free to contact us here at Bill Caldwell Ford.